Good evening, traders. Today I want to make some backtesting session. I'm doing this almost every evening, but just today I want to record my own, and this came very spontaneous. So just for you to see once again what I am looking for and how it could be with the clean charts, the pure price action, for all those who are still not using the real volume, just to show you that this is really all repeatable, what we are looking for. So no matter if with real volume or without, I just want to show you the price action, what is important for me, and maybe kind of being patient as well. So let's do the new simulation. I just want to choose the year, maybe not this one, 3, 4, let's choose the 4 years ago, and I want to make this as today's price action, like 19th, 4 years ago. Starting balance, I'm not sure if this really matters, but let's use the 1000, and my risk would be in this case 1%, so $10 per one trade. Leverage, my actual and fixed spread, like the minimum available. I don't want to play with spreads, just to show that theory. That's it. And intra-history charts, let's set this as a month, and we are ready. Start the simulation. So now I want to use them one for sure, then also M5, maybe M30, and as my base to look for zones, the 1 hour. So I chose the 4 time frames, and this should be enough. My templates, just the clean ones. Where it is. Just every time the beginning, the setting everything up is the most boring part. Okay, so let's check where we are on the market and what we can see. What we have here is the very main supply, so I'm just drawing this like this one. Just want to change the color. Okay, so this is the indecision candle, and this one, this leg out caused the break of this demand here on the left. The volume on the leg out is bigger than on this base, so very good one. So this is my main supply, but we are of course very far from it. It's 70, almost 80 pips. Here we have kind of equal lows level, also very far off current price action. I want to mark this just in case. So it looks like we are in the middle of nowhere. Just change of color. Damn, I'm just shaking up. So long time I didn't record anything like this. I'm a bit nervous. let's check this time frame. It is almost New York session, so we have here something which looks like the demand zone. I will mark this for now as prices. This is of course the opening of the Asian session, but this zone was made before, so for me this could be the valid demand. Let's check just the volume. Leg out has bigger volume. And what is here also important, I would mark here the supply, and this is the thing now where I'm going a lot of questions, why I am drawing the supply without indecision candle. For me here is the break of structure, right? We have here the compression, not to the zone, maybe here was kind of supply, but this here was a support and it was broken. So I see this, that here must be a lot of sellers to break such an important level. Let's just check the volume of this one candle. It's almost the highest. So here was the critical level, but price was pushed back up. So if this level was broken as a support, for me this is supply. It's because here was a big accumulation of sellers to break some level. So I would draw this also as a zone, something important for me, like this one. And even if this is not any kind of indecision candle, this is just the level where appeared a lot of sellers just to break this price level. So this one candle caused the break. So here I have a leg out with higher volume than the base, and the drop was continued. So very strong price level, price area. And this is like this one. So probably I don't have anything to add right now in this time frame. So I have the fresh demand, price is already sitting here, my supply, and the main one above. Here I cannot find anything clean, I just have equal lows, but I don't expect so huge drop. What I want to see is maybe price delivery to the supply. Yes, volume is decreasing now. This is the end of New York session. So if volume is decreasing, this should be any dangerous price action for demand to make it broken. As if the volume would be going up, I would be afraid if the zone is valid. But if the volume is going down, I can be like more sure that this zone could hold the price. But of course, this is the end of session. Yes, I don't trust anything what is happening on the Asian, especially when some zone is created. I just like to mark the Asian high or low, but not the zones during the session. So this is just for me the setup, and now I just want to move the chart like to the Frankfurt to see what the price action will tell us. So let's go to the we are on the Frankfurt, and we don't need this window anymore. So we can see that demand really holded the price, that something could be here as pending the buy orders left by banks just before the New York session, and now the price is going up. So we have kind of two possible scenarios now. Of course, I'm not doing any trades. This is the Frankfurt, but price is in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, this is the no man's land, exactly between two zones, between demand and the supply. So I have no idea now what to do. I would take a buy only from demand and the sell only from supply. So just a patience game where the price want to go at first. For now, looks like the sellers are really stronger, because this drop was impressive, very huge fall down, like almost 140 pips in just few hours. Price even left here liquidity, but let's see. Let's see what we can see. For example, maybe in London. I usually trade now only London sessions, so just let's copy this and let's go to the lower time frame. Maybe we can see some cleaner action. Okay, this move on M30, yes, this price action with this leg out, it looks like the compression. And already the last small supply, a small M30 supply, was broken. Price made the first high, turned back, and looks like it's going to the supply. So if price is going to the supply, I am not trying to join it now, because of fact that this is the well, in the middle of this distance. But my plan would be waiting for the price delivery to the supply, to wait for a true sell. If price action, of course, will tell us the possibility. I just want to see here, maybe here's the more cleaner supply, but here's also the imbalance pool already filled, very deeply filled. Just thinking, but no, I'm just leaving the same view as here on the H1 1 hour time frame. It's quite a bit zone. It's 25 pips. Yeah, but let's see. So this is just the plan, yeah. I hope that you all see this, that this is the compression, strong push to the down, feeding the orders, and now price made a fresh high, going back to the higher edge of this demand, and it really looks like the price delivery to the supply. So my plan now is to look for a sell, because probably the price will be delivered here. So this is really like kind of visualization. This is very important to do before every single setup, to visualize, to try to understand what the price is telling you. For me, if compression with a strong push to the downside is telling now that the buyers took control. But for me, it is too late to join the buyers, especially now when we are closer, maybe for 1 pip to the supply. But it looks like the price delivered to the base. Because now definitely the buyers are taking control. They filled some orders here, or also here on bottom. Very deep delivery. So I'm waiting, as this is really very important part of trading, to not rush the charts, to wait. If I have marked two important zones, I am not taking trades in the middle. So now let's see what M5 is telling us. Here looks like we have the perfect another equal lows as a support, almost on the higher edge of this 1 hour demand. So I want to mark this like this one. and what? I just want to later mark the Asian low, but for now, this is for me the perfect equal lows just above, just below the higher edge of the demand. So I would treat this as a support. Maybe the potential take profit level just from here as just 18 pips, not so many. Yeah, but this is just for now. Let's go to the M1. I just want to copy this as well, this price level. And what we have. Here's our Asian low, also very important level. This is thanks to Jeffrey. He taught me the importance of this these levels. Really, I never before I wasn't so focused on the Asian highs and lows. Oh, I just copied this. I didn't want to. Sorry. I just wanted to move the zone. And let's say that this is our support. Even if here are some wicks, I just want to be more focused on the perfect support when price was rejecting a few times without taking liquidity. So what we have here, it is also like ranging market and could be the support. So if I would be looking for a sell, I have now 3 price levels as a TP. The distance between each other is between those are very small. I also see here the fresh made demand like a double shield. Where it is here. So for me, here's the ranging market. The big banks put the price lower for a huge buy. Yes, this is wonderful leg out. Maybe better to see this on the M5. Yes, here we have definitely rally. Yeah, so strange. Yes, we have demand above the demand. Here's some equal lows. Here ranging market as a definitely support, and here the Asian low. The Asian low would be the best target for sure, because for some reason the price was bouncing from this price level. Something could be here below, and they Asians decided to put the price up, and now we are very close to the main supply. Very big zone. Just let's check if we have something clean here. Okay, I would mark this as my equal highs. Yes, this is my resistance. Here looks like the retail pattern, which was broken, and then price decided to go down to finish on the demand. Here's something interesting. Yes, this is the last demand which pushed the price up before the true sell. The true sell is the price delivery to the demand. Let's say I would mark this like the golden line. Yes, the lower edge of this demand zone, like here. So I have my two kind of key levels on this supply, lower one and the really high one. So yeah, my setup is ready. The plan is, if on the higher time frame it looks like compression with last push, fresh high, that the price will be delivered to the supply. So if I visualize something like this, my focus is only to look for a sell with patience as a safest part of the game. Now, right now, of course, everything can change. Maybe price want to go once again to the demand or even broke it because of very low equal lows. This is dangerous. If this would be taken, maybe the candle will break this demand. But I have marked this. My plan is to look for a sell, and these are my golden levels as a potential TP. So let's just wait where really the price want to go. Just need to drink. Oh yes. So let's go. I want to switch to the M1 right now. We are at the beginning of the Frankfurt. Nothing clean. Yes, between two zones. So let's just wait for an invitation. And now price is going as a plan to the supply. Let's see if any compression or equal highs will be created to look for a liquidity. Now is anything clean? Just I want to see the price on the higher zone. So I'm not joining the market, especially that this is very close to the demand, almost 4 pips, or to the higher edge of the main demand as less than 8 pips. Also to the supply is 9. So really no man's land, and this would be dangerous to just predict, because he would be predicting, gambling. I don't see anything clean. Even here we have some equal highs, looks like would be taken, but this whole price action is below the main zone. So if I would mark this as equal highs below the zone, and here break of this structure, so the question is where the price reacted really. Yes, supply is higher, price didn't reach this by this move here, like four candles. So even if some highs are taken, it doesn't mean that this is the price action I'm looking for. I'm looking for a main zone, not empty space. This is very important really to draw the zones correctly, because there are a lot of traps also for us, for more advanced traders. Just be patient to see the price where you want. Maybe this now looks like the invitation that I would be entered for aggressive buy right now. But also these equal lows here could be taken. Yeah, so I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching. Okay, the volume increased. Maybe it want to go deeper, but not sure what to do. Yes, the main zone is still lower, and now volume decreased. You can see this by these 3 bars. So price is sitting on the demand. What does it mean? Decreasing volume on the zone, on the higher edge of the zone, that the probability of breaking this is lower. This price is now taking a breath. So maybe I would be looking now for a buy. Yes, if volume is going down, we are on the zone. Maybe the old me would take the buy right now, but I am looking only for liquidity right now. I'm very picky with my setups. I'm telling this every time. I just don't like this. Yes, this taking of these equal highs below the zone, and this playing here. Also, the M5 zone is not so strong and so safe than the high time frame zone. So I'm just waiting to see my plan. My plan was selling, not buying. So even if the price really want to go from now to the supply, I don't see this as a very safe setup, because here's very tiny liquidity area. Yes, between those two zones there's the wide space. Yes, the zones are not touching each other. Everything is possible. If I would enter now, maybe he would be the week, or some 2-3 candles, like over 6 pips to take, or 8 pips, yes, to take this equal lows. I'm now scared. This could be the accumulation, but who can know? I want to see really higher volume and definitely clean equal highs, equal lows to look for a setup. This I can agree that this can be the support. I just don't like this, that this is only the week, not a body of candle as a sitting on the support. It's not so clean for me right now. And really, if I'm waiting for a sell, I don't want to try to push the market to my side, to my first view, to take a buy because I'm greedy. No, just really wait with your visualization. And even yes, yeah, this is no fear of missed opportunity. The volume is increasing, nicely bullish move, so more than likely price will go up. So don't be scared that, oh shit, I missed the trade. My plan didn't tell me that this is the safe entry. Even if I am putting sometimes risky aggressive entries, here the support wasn't so clean for me because of two zones very close to each other. I hope that you understand me. Sorry, no more telling about this. Just my view, yes, to avoid the unnecessary losses, unnecessary risk. The price is a bit calming down, but also take a look that this is the tick volume, yes, the one we are not trusting so much. And what time is it? In 28 minutes the London will open. Boom, very aggressive invader. So you can see it was very good to not take a buy if you are looking for a sell, as this push was very strong. Even looks like the price made a small supply here. So also the high volume coming to the zone, the smaller zone, could mean that it is already a bit weaker. Yes, that if I would be looking for a sell with good managing, I can expect breaking of this zone to really reach my equal lows, which are below the zone. So I don't only need to look for a TP as the higher edge of this small demand, but I can be more sure to see the price level really here lower. Volume is still increasing, so this is the attack to the demand. Wow, very impressive move. Big difference on volume could be the sign that this small supply is attacked too strong, and we can expect that this zone will be broken, and the main intention is to see the price on the supply. Okay, it's already broken the last one. So you can see I'm not taking now any trade, I'm not looking for anything, especially that we are 15 minutes before London and price is almost on the supply. So this is still waiting for a setup exactly with the plan, with the main plan with the main visualization where I want to see the price. So I'm just clicking and waiting for some invitation. This push was very strong. Maybe this looks like equal highs below the zone, but for me it is not so clean resistance. So damn, I am still just waiting. Yeah, in 10 minutes can everything happen. Price losing volume. Now one more time, some short, increasing, down. Yeah, not so clean. So 5 minutes before, I'm not risking to take the entry. Very high volume on the bearish candle. So it can mean that this is tick, yes. So it's data from my broker. So it can mean that early sellers joined the market. Kind of bigger candle in comparison to the candles before. Definitely higher volume than everything else. So it could be read as the price reached the supply. Yes, price was delivered here. And boom, big sell is expected. But the important thing is that this whole move can be read as, for me now, as a compression, but not finished. As I still don't see some kind of big push. Here could be, but the price still continued the move up. Let's check on the M5 how it looks like. Yeah, rejection week. So my idea is that really a lot of guys, traders, could join the market exactly here. The price reached the supply, rejection week, and yeah, we can join the market to take a sell for, I don't know, 18 pips or something like this. Yeah, maybe with less to the 1 to the 1. Rejection candles are dangerous if we don't know where we are on the market. But with my markups, this is still unfinished compression. If this is compression, of course. But looks like the price is slowly going down, decreasing volume, but there's no leg out. Yes, not taking any liquidity. It is not already made for me. Just this move, this rejection was very strange. Big difference in volume. Candle went up. So it could be like a panic by retails, if they're of course trading M1, that what is going on, right? We're on the supply and price is going still up. Impressive. So guys, is this for you complete compression or incomplete? This high volume candle is impressive. We already are in the London session, but I would say that here we have not only compression, but also equal highs. So what the plan should be, not to join the sellers because of two things, yes, equal highs and incomplete compression. So this is the way, yes. Even on probably last Summary of the Day video, I mentioned that sometimes these setups are working, but I tested dozens, if not hundreds, of compressions and resistance or support price action, and the bigger chances to be profitable and the safest option is always waiting for a manipulation move, because it means that if the big guys really want to sell now, they want to take stop losses, they want to have better price for a true sell, not just to use the retail double top pattern. This could be ridiculous and without logic, because it means that banks want to trade same as retails. So we have to wait for liquidity grab. We are also not so very close. But this price action is now better than waiting for the higher price level, of course, because London is like to be aggressive, and we already made here the resistance, double top pattern, strong move to the down, break of structure even, yes, by drawing this like this one. Perfect to join the market. But not for us. We are smart traders. We should wait. So even if the price will go down, no fear of missed opportunity, please. Just a missed trade. That's it. Oh yeah, high volume candle going up. Maybe now this is like a retest of broken structure. Maybe even more traders are interested in this price level to join the market, to join the sellers, but not for us. Beautiful touch of the trend line. Ask yourself if all you would join the market now. Supply, double top, retest of broken trend line, perfect price level to join the sellers, isn't it? This is really perfect price level to join the market. The volume is indeed going good, so means a lot of traders are interested on joining the market right now, but we are waiting. The patience is our key. Look now this week from where the buyers appeared. Yes, imagine in slow motion that the sellers are trying to go down, but somewhere the strong power from bulls to push the price up to close the candle in here, and then we have weak. Weak is a result of battle, and somewhere inside the supply the buyers are still strong. Beautiful. So how it looks like, guys, what this is now, we have double top as a resistance, as equal highs, and strong push to the up with even higher volume than everything before. So this is the potential liquidity grab, the thing what was expected, what what I am waiting for right now. So trade with the plan. Yeah, how it was, plan the trade and then trade the plan. And wonderful. Look at the volume. What a reversal. There's even the sellers were so strong that they jumped above closure of the candles before. So this is a really possible liquidity grab. Beautiful. How sellers push the buyers back down. This is the equal highs pattern with liquidity grab, and if the price will go down, I am looking for entry, of course. Now it's sitting. Maybe it looks like inviting the buyers because of break of structure, right? The double top pattern is broken. Price calm down, and wow, why not to join the buyers? So what it is for us now? The last demand, where the price was pushed above this equal highs, is definitely broken now. As the volume is high, all the bearish candles are with increasing volume. So for me, this is information that really the sellers are now breaking the structure. Not here because of this equal highs, but now is the break of structure, break of the last demand, we are below the golden line as a previously broken demand, as a last buy for a sell. So for me right now, this is a lot of good things that the sellers finally took control. Our pattern, compression without last push, but then equal highs were created, liquidity grab, break of structure. Volume definitely decreased. I will join the market right now because I see the break of structure. A lot of things are positive to take a trade for me. So now I need to just calculate if what I'm aiming for is worth the risk. By setting 3 pips stop loss, it is above the golden line, so it is with my criteria. Then the safe stop loss take profit level could be here on the higher edge of the last demand. So that's a 14 pips. So let's say like it would be the 1 to the 4.5. But I also remember that here was the price attacked the demand with high volume, so there are high chances to go lower to the equal lows here, here, or even here. Yeah, the Asian low would be a beautiful trade. Let's check how many pips. 32. Guys, over 1 to the 10. Of course, on the live market I will be aiming only for here, or to the higher edge of the demand as like 1 to the 6. But the Asian low looks very good as a really deep invader. So deep invader could be also the sign of weak main zone, because if some limit orders were activated here so deep, there's nothing below. So if the liquidity could be taken, it could be also the sign that the zone is totally empty and should be deleted. So let's trade. I want to 1%. I want to sell right now. Volume decreased, and before I found increasing volume by sellers. Oops, what is with my stop loss? My stop loss I want to set as a 3 pips to risk just 1% as $10 as mentioned before. And 1 to the 4.5. Is this worth the game? For me, yes. So I just want to mark this as my favorite TP. Let's make this as a magenta zone. That this would be my live trading TP. So 1 to the 4.5. And then I don't like this equal lows because of this week. Let's delete this. I would be more focused to watch the price on this range. Here's definitely support, and the main one I would set the TP here as a really deep support inside the zone as Asian low. And you can see that this is 1 to the 10, over 1 to the 10 would be perfect, but we will also I will also manage this trade. So the plan is, after entering the market, to set the stop loss above fresh made M1 supply to manage this correctly. And let's see if my safe TP will be reached, and then how to manage this to the 1 to the 10 as a really high chances of probability that the price will go there. Well, so we are aiming for over 1 to the 10. Yeah, one more drink. of water for sure. I'm not drinking alcohol. I cannot. So this doesn't mean that I'm recording something so late, because two of you already asked me why I am doing backtesting so late. No, not because I'm chilling. This is my work. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, small drawdown. The drawdown was like less than 1 pip. Impressive. Take a look on the volume, how strong. Once again it is high, so it could be the sign that the last small demand is in danger, and I feel safe personally that this is the good choice to continue my drop. And this demand is already broken. Very good. We are over 1% up just in 2 minutes. Some buyers stopped this momentum, but in this move up the volume is going down. What can this mean? That the buyers are not so strong enough to break the seller strength, and yeah, rejection. You can see that rejection is like in slow motion. Candle is going down, buyers are happy, ha ha ha, we are going up, but then strong power is putting them back down, and then we can see the wick, rejection wick, even from the lower edge of the supply. I just don't want to see the price higher, honestly. I want to see further drop. So I like the fact that the buyer's moves are with lower volume than the bearish candles. Now you can see two candles together, same price opening and closure. It is another rejection candle. It just shows the strength of sellers, especially that even the tick volume is on the bearish candle is higher. So I would trust the process. And yeah, let's see if my safety P would be reached. Good. We are almost 2% up, but I am not moving my stop loss because I still don't see any supply. Because I need to see the clean supply to move my stop loss. This is just honestly a shit. Yes. Not clean price action, just small candles, any leg out, any base. So I'm still leaving some space to take a breath by the price action. Even maybe if price will go here, yes, to make a big drawdown. I don't see any supply as a sign that another strong sellers joined the market, that someone else put another large sell order. I don't see this, so I'm not touching my stop loss right now. Wow, so high volume, and take a look on this week, how sellers calmed down the buyers. Impressive, very big week, like almost 4 pips. In M1, this is big, of course. Look at this, all previous weeks are very small. This one is aggressive, how buyers tried to go once again up, and the sellers didn't let them to make this. Very bad week. I'm a bit confused. Sellers attacked, buyers made a response. Oh la la. Yeah, but I don't have anything to move my stop loss. So this is it, yes. Not only believe on the process, but if I don't see supply while selling, why the hell I should move my stop loss? Yes, I'm moving my stop loss only if I see the sell power. Here's mess. Even if I'm on trade like 8:16, already 16 minutes. So this should be not kind of rule that after halfway or after 5 minutes or after 5 pips I am moving my stop loss. No, while selling only after supply. This should be like logic. If another sellers join the market, I want to be above them to protect my capital. Here, nothing. Here's just a battle between buyers and sellers. So I'm leaving my setup as it is. Once again, the touch of the lower edge of supply, very good. High volume. I would be reading that the high volume is like the attack from this last push, from 2 minutes. So the zone is like more than likely to be broken. Look, guys, how sellers are attacking. Take a breath. Nothing. Yes, price is higher, volume decreased. So no interest for me that the buyers really want to go somewhere here, yes, to the higher golden level. Still decreasing volume. No interest on this bullish wave. So this is for me like just a pullback for a further sell. Once again, higher volume on this demand, even higher. So ask yourself now, what can happen? Increasing volume on the last fresh demand, on the M1. What can happen? What can you expect? Increasing volume while sitting on the higher edge. Boom. So I would say as expected, right? Increasing volume on the zone, no more. Prices here, sellers to control the candle even without the wicks. Perfect. So this is the moment I want to move my stop loss, because here I would say that this is the fresh made supply, right? As here. Ranging market, big leg out with very high volume. So I want to be safe. I want to move my stop loss, let's say here. Yes, I don't want to accept the fact the price want to go above this supply, because it means that sellers are not so powerful. And I have something already on my profits. How much is it? Yeah, few dollars, but I am safe. Even increasing volume on the bearish move, what we can expect? Move down. I hope, of course. Just some bearish candles, still some how it called, some liquidity here. I'm just thinking if this is the right decision, because the volume increased a bit on this pullback. How was the volume on this indecision candle? Not so high. You know what, guys, I'm probably moving a bit higher. I'm just not happy about this price action. Oh, like this. Yes, above the last week. I'm not happy what I see now. Oh. Damn. I'm not happy. Never mind, let's see. Why the hell are these weeks? So I'm so quiet, so silent, but I just don't like this rejection with higher volume than the previous candle, but we are still on the supply. Maybe I should draw this as a bigger zone. But was the last try to push the price higher before the sell. I'm just not sure, but still with big belief that I'm joining the market in the right place. Hungry candle, almost hungry. Yes, the bearish move started above the previous candle. It was same as here when the liquidity grab appeared. Oh yeah, now I feel a bit better, safe. Huge leg out, high volume, so maybe I didn't need to push the stop loss so high. Just didn't like the increasing volume on the bullish movement. Yeah, so don't forget to draw the zones on lower time frames with the last push. Yes, if we are looking for a supply, to draw it not just with the last indecision candle, but also with the last bullish move. Yes, as I mentioned on the course, that M5 and M1 zones are safer with the push, as I drew here the demand with the last push to the down as a selling for a true buy. So it was the buying as the weak for a sell. I could be also probably kicked out from this trade by not moving this right now. But let's see what can happen. It's already a long video. Boom. Very nice one. What is this, guys? This is another supply. My safe TP would be reached right now as a 1 to the 4.5. And we have new supply made here. What does it mean? I should move my stop loss to the safe price level, and it should be above the zone. This now correctly above this week's, and now I am a bit more safe. I didn't check this. I am 2% up safe. So if price will turn back up, I will finish my trade as with 2%. Very good. What is this, guys? Increasing volume going to the demand, the small one, the M5. So it is easier to break the small zone than to break the high with increasing volume. So let's see if this supply will hold the price. You can see ranging market, really high volume. So this is what I'm saying a lot of time. High chances of breaking it. All these weeks, what is this? This is the proof how sellers are still pushing down the buyers. So even if this is the demand, buyers are trying to go up, the sellers are stopping them. On the move up, interest by buyers is going down. Very good for us as a hold this trade. Nice touch of the supply. Let's see if this very high volume. Buyers still have something to say. Boom. What is this, guys? Broken small demand. You can delete this. We don't need this one as well. So what is this move? Very high volume, and it could be also read as a fresh made supply. Yes, we have ranging market and a good leg out. Very fast and strong price delivery to the demand. So I am moving my stop loss. Let's say just above this week. So I am like almost 8.5 pips up. So it is almost 3% right now. Very good. We need to manage our trade correctly all the time, not just like set and forget. It would be bad to see the break of this very strong move, the strongest in this day. Buyers nicely reacted. What is this? This could be also like a support. Yes, equal lows. And maybe this is the liquidity grab. Very hard. So I would maybe even put my stop loss lower because I didn't see this before. I'm afraid if this is the buyer's reaction, so I just want to see this like here. Breaking this candle would be the invitation for buyers. I don't want to see this. I want to be over 3% up, like 3.5%, if something will go wrong. Yes, because this is dangerous right now. Support above the main 1 hour demand. But my first plan was to aim for the equal lows on the as an Asian low. So I'm not changing my plan. I'm just want to be secured if this is the liquidity grab with high volume. So always try to explain every move to what you can expect and really to manage the trade correctly. Decreasing volume by sellers. Is it safe? For me, not so. So what I am doing, I am afraid. I don't want to lose money. I want to move my stop loss once again. Maybe because I'm trading in front of you and I feel kind of little pressure. But you can see that 1 to the 4 is something really nice. Yes, to risking 10 to get 40 is good, and let the runner run like this. Okay. Oh shit, I don't like candles like this. High volume rejection. Hoo la la. Wonderful move, but the volume isn't so beautiful. I wouldn't say that this is kind of supply, but I need to notice that we are on the demand. Every moment there could appear the buyers. Even this move, this price action here, yes, this little box could be like a support, and we have here the range, yes, the golden level with equal lows, so price can make a liquidity grab here. So by continuing this trade, I am moving once again my stop loss. Even if this looks like boring or gambling for you, no, this is managing my money. I don't want to accept the fact that this is liquidity grab, because if it is, I would lose more money. So I'm now secured by over 5%, yes, 5.5% of my account, if this is the liquidity grab. So always be safe. But as I said, for sure, my first stop loss take profit, so not stop loss, would be here, yes, as a 4.5, like bit less than 15 pips, without any stress or any further managing the position. I like to catch one main first wave. Now this is kind of risky trade with a belief and trust of this Asian low, for sure, but we are managing, yes, we are moving stop losses above each critical level for me if this could happen the opposite move. So if this would be really the price level when my friends would be waiting for a buy, I want to be secure because they will take a buy after breaking of this supply. So this is the maximum level I can accept the pullback. I hope that this is understandable for you. Let's go. Boom. Very, very bad. Yes, this is very bad because those two candles together are like very small body on top, and these two differences on the price are like a wick. So take a look how buyers aggressively reacted from this equal lows. But I am safe. I just don't want to see break of the supply. This could be just like fast reaction to the supply. No one know right now. I just don't like the fact of big volume, but I would not close the trade like less than 2 pips for my stop loss and profits. Wow, very aggressive reaction from sellers with even higher volume. Wonderful. And this week is telling how strongly from the supply sellers attacked. So if I would be looking for a buy, yes, let's say that I am not selling right now because I joined the market, opened the charts somewhere here. So my focus would be to look for a buys. But I would not take a buy if the supply is not broken. So that's why my sell is safe. Still safe. Yes, because I would take a buy only if I would have a proof or confirmation that this support is broken and the supply is no more valid. So that's why if I join the market here, my sell is safe. And if I would join open the charts later by looking only for buys, I would not join the market because not clean price action for buyers. Still sell power. Volume is dying. What to do? Yeah, I'm not leaving. I'm just above this big wick. What they are doing. Okay, let's just delete this level and focus on the fresh one. What is this? Another liquidity inside the month. So that's why I believe that my sell is still safe. Yes, because if I would be looking for a buy, I would be waiting for a liquidity grab with this strategy, of course. So if this is no move, I still think that the buyers are not ready. Increasing volume on the support. And boom, broken. Very nice. So if broken, I am moving my stop loss just above these wicks. This is not any clean supply. This is break of structure. I am very deep on the demand, so I really like to secure my position and move my stop loss more in profits. Like this. Or even, yeah, almost 7% up. Very good. Next bar, huge rejection. And the volume died. I don't like this. Let me analyze and very bad bullish candle, but we are almost 7% in profits. Ooh, look guys, increasing volume. and closed. Yeah, so I'm almost 7% up. Let's see if the price will be delivered lower or if this is really the liquidity grab, but I would be very disappointed. Let's move the candles more. Oh, even higher. Yeah, increasing volume from buyers. But if I would have marked my supply like here, very big range. Oh damn, look guys, my 1 to the 10 would be reached, but this is not any anger. Yes, this is like managing your trade. I am of course happy with this 1 to the 7. This is impressive, yes, that you can join the market at 8:16 and 1.5 hours later you earned 7%. This is beautiful. Yes, but as I said, this is too long for me. 1.5 hours of managing is making me tired. Just my personal experience. I would take my profits at here, so after 45 minutes, and this is acceptable for me. Yes, 4.5% in 45 minutes. Beautiful. So he would be my main TP without greed. 4.5 in 45 minutes. Beautiful. Here it would be almost 2 hours of managing, but with so many liquidity levels, I was just afraid, and I think that I managed this correctly. Maybe I should still leave my my stop loss above the supply, but first zone, first level, second level, it was everything would be possible. So I just managed it for me very good. Even if the 1 to the 10 would be possible to reach this perfect price action, he was the true range. He was the true support. Wonderful, yes, and just this candle took the Asian low. Wonderful, but 1 to 7 in 1.5 hours is good enough for me. But really, please remember, guys, don't be greedy. Can see how dangerous it was. Yes, it was inside the demand and I was still holding the sell with a belief of the Asian low. Try to aim the safe without greed. He would be my safe one. Yes, as a last really fresh made demand which delivered the price to the supply. Maybe not so big, yes, like 14 pips, but this trade would take only 45 minutes without any dangerous pullbacks. Here was the beginning of the mess and volume play. So I hope that you can take something from this video about what we are looking for, about the equal highs, lows, how to manage the trade, how to fight with your greed. And yeah, just let me know, guys, if this kind of videos are useful for you. And for sure, from January we will be back to make the Zoom sessions together. This is just my last video this year. I'm taking 2 weeks off. That's a Christmas time, and I need to take a rest. A lot happened during this year. So thank you guys for watching this video and have a wonderful family time. See you.